Welcome to PageProof. In this video, we'll show you how quick and easy it is to connect the popular project management tool Asana with PageProof, so your team can keep track of your proofs in Asana for even better teamwork and collaboration. With PageProof's native integration, Asana users can create proofs and reference them to a project as a task. This will keep your team up to date with the progress of proofs automatically. To get started, you need an account in Asana and an account in PageProof. Step 1. In PageProof, as the team administrator, select Team, then Integrations, then select the Asana integration. Enable the integration. Tip: we recommend creating a user called PageProof within Asana, which will be used as the default user. The default user will be seen as the account who triggered a PageProof event if a PageProof user hasn't connected their Asana account. Step 2. When setting up the proof, in the Proof Setup screen, click the three dots icon next to the reference field and select Asana. Or, if the proof has already been created, in the Proof Info pane, go to Reference and select Asana. Reference a project to create a new task automatically, or reference an existing task to keep updated. When the proof changes status during its proofing lifecycle, the task will be updated automatically. When uploading a new version of a proof, remove the reference to the previous Asana task if you'd like to create a new task rather than updating the existing one. Make your creative workflow and team collaboration even more effective with Asana and PageProof working seamlessly together. Our team is always available via the in-app chat on your dashboard if you'd like advice or assistance with integrations. PageProof, making feedback welcome.